Hello friends, welcome to Reliant World. In today's video, I shall teach you that how you can do the ticket of IRCTC from your authorized agent ID, which you have taken from us or somewhere else. First of all, you right click on the IRCTC on and type the open a new tab, then put your IRCTC ID here, and then after putting the IRCTC ID, click on I accept and login. Click on login, then the new page will open. You just follow the page, and there you just click on I agree, and there is the station name. Write the name of the station from your passenger want to travel, and here from his destination address you just give it here. And first of all, you may know something that if you type a wrong spelling, then it won't be shown the station. So you just type it correctly, give the correct name and the date of the journey the passenger want to travel. Then click on search train. Then after clicking on search train, the new page will be open, and here you can see all the train available on those day. Okay, and then you just go below, and the ask my passenger will be travel by BG Express. You can select any one according to your passenger. So here are the 2A, 3A, SL sleeper and 2S, and my passenger is preparing 2S. So I click on 2S, and there are seats are available. 284 seats, 284 seats are available. I click on book ticket, book now. I just click on book now, and after clicking on book now, a new page will be open again, and here you can see the time, everything, and just click it here and type your passenger name. You just type the name by looking their document, otherwise they may face problem while traveling in train. The TT may ask them that to show their document. So kindly write everything in correct spelling. Okay, give the correct spelling and correct age and male or gender, male or female. Just give it here in the below. So my passenger, I just giving the name of my passenger and the age of the passenger, and the passenger is male. I select on male, and you can select the window side or the side. Then my passenger are willing to sit on the window side, so I give it the window side. And you can add in this way your passenger. Just I am adding there are my 4 passenger I had. I male, everyone is male, and below you can also enter the child name also. Here I shall enter the customer mobile number. Customer mobile number is very important, so I am hide his number, because it is not good to share the customer mobile number. So give it the customer mobile number. Then you go below and give the destination address where your passenger want to travel. Give that address. Okay, you just my passenger destination address is Dimapur. So Dimapur, and the pin code, if you does not know the pin code, you can search it from the Google also. And if you give the wrong pin code, it you may face problem while doing this ticket. Okay, I shall select the post office and review and continue. Click on review and continue. It will go in the next page, and just you click it here in the above, you will see this page. Click on the link, and after clicking the link, again the new page will be open. Here just you see it, and I agree. Click on I agree. Then here will be the amount, which the amount will be deducted from your ID, and you will get the best commission also. The commission will be remain at your ID only. Okay, then just if you want the same ID, you just contact me below my number and my website. Just give the password here. If you give the wrong password, it may shows you the error or some other message. Kindly give the correct password which you have got or which you have created, and the OTP will be you will get from the email which you have provided while doing your ID IRCTC agent registration. At that email ID you will receive an OTP. Just put the OTP here and click on submit. So I'm checking the OTP at my email. After checking the OTP, I click on submit. After clicking on submit, just close it and it redirect, and here is the ticket is available, and below see here there is a print ticket. I just click on the print ticket and my ticket is here, and now this ticket I can give to my customer and he can travel safely. And kindly, it is my request, don't do any ticket from your personal ID, otherwise you may face problem. There may be the maybe penalty for you. So if you want to authorize agent ID, kindly contact the below number and just give the print to the ticket. I just click on print, and on the printer the page will become, and this ticket I shall give to my client. So if you are interested to set up your own IRCTC agent ID or a center, kindly contact me and I shall help you 100%. I shall give you the guidance, and you can watch my other YouTube channel also in Hindi, in English, in Bengali. Okay, kindly share this video to your friends and kindly not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day. Thank you. This is the ticket I am providing to my customer. Thank you for watching.